Hello everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how you can view Instagram stories unknown numbers. So for that, what you need to do is first thing open your Instagram account on your Google browser. Click open Google browser and click open Instagram.com. Now there you need to get logged in into the account first. So provide the details, then type in the password, and then click on login. Now once you open your Instagram account, what you need to do is you need to find the Instagram user whose Instagram stories you want to view anonymously. To do that, you need to use a third-party website. So click open a new tab on your browser and there you need to type in storysaver.net and press enter. This is a third-party website from where you can view a Instagram stories, or you can also download that. For that, you scroll down and here you will find the option to enter the Instagram account user. So open the Instagram on here and you simply copy paste the Instagram user that you want to view the story. So I'm just gonna go and choose this one over here. So all I have to do is copy this username from here and paste it over here. Then you click on download. Now you need to tick mark the captcha and you wait for the story to be downloaded, and there you can see the stories will be available for you to view it, and it will also show you the type of stories that is photo added about 8 hours. Now if you go and check the Instagram story, you can see the story being posted over here, the same one that you are just shown over here, and it will give you the detail of number of stories that this user has posted, 8 stories and about 8 hours ago. This is the one of the stories, and there's the second one on here. If you scroll down, you will be able to find all the stories that this user has uploaded on your Instagram account. So this is a way how you can view Instagram stories anonymously. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.